here is part 2 to the video of my room tour. So that over there is like, it's like my GM. That's where a beautiful lady of my life works. And I feel really proud of it. And then my Aunt Tara got this right here. And then my cousin Andrea painted this beautiful painting for me. Now, before I end my 2 videos tonight, I would like to put like a little shout outs. My first shout out is to the wonderful staff at Life Designs. I really do miss you guys. I sometimes see you guys on Facebook. I feel very honored for you guys for letting you guys have me join that. And another shout out goes to all the people of Bloomington Transit Access, their boss, Eli McCormick, because you guys, if you guys ever been to Bloomington, Indiana, give it a chance, because you guys would love it. This is just a little room tour video from your host, the beloved Tommy Cunningham, wanting to say God bless and Godspeed.